Hey everybody, welcome to this week's YouTube stamping collab. Yeah, I know I haven't done it every week. I'm trying. But Gams is wore out from babysitting a 3-month-old every day. So the collab this week is hosted by Kristen with Nerdy Creation. And Jay, I'm sorry I didn't get your individual picture put in because I had to upload to edit before you submitted yours. But it's in the collab and her link with everybody else's will be down below. So the theme this week is 5 in 1. So, or 1 in 5. One image, 5 different designs. But you'll see soon enough, I end up with 12 designs because several I didn't like when we did them. But I used Creative Shop, plate number 73, and this flower with the lace. I could have used several of these with a bunch of different designs, but that's the one I chose, and I'm using Champagne Shifter with from Hit the Bottle Polish. The first one you can see is just a plain, the whole thing. My base color is Madam Glam, Dangerously in Love. The hollow is gorgeous in this. And on this Raspberry Explosion. And I thought these were going to be light enough. I'm using IMK Peel Protect. It dries copper, and Brave Stevie Nail Polish Game Over to stamp with. But I thought this base was going to be bright enough to put this black hollow, and it did stamp nice. It picked up really pretty, and I just didn't like it. My base wasn't bright enough. So I switched and decided to try with hollow silver, but it turned out more gold. I don't know. It just wasn't what I expected. I kept it for a little while, and then I decided I didn't like it with the rest of the stamping that I did. But you can see with this image, you could do just the lace on your nails, or just the tips, just the base, the whole thing, and do a reverse stamp. Once again, it was pretty. It just wasn't what I was wanting. It just didn't go together. Just looked like a mess. Oh my gosh. People won't stop texting. I'm sorry. I got the baby to sleep to do the voiceover, and the phone won't stop. Finally, one I liked. Alright, that reminds me. So I've got a surprise for you guys. The international giveaway I told you about, the next video I'm going to show you some more Bundle Monster things I got, and that will open that one. And there's going to be 2 winners on the US, and it's all going to run through August 1st is when I'm going to choose a winner. I'll give you full details in the next video, but international and US are both going to get the Bundle Monster Seascape kit that I showed you in last. I'll put a link up here, so if you missed it, it's not too late to enter, and international can get entered too in the next video. Alright you guys, if you're not confused by now, you will be. Here's some dogs and some deer.